I see him. I can't tell what the unit is yet. I cannot tell. Oh. I was wrong. Some more CSX. Wait now. Oh my god! Ethanol train! Holy crap, Canadian Pacific! Woo! Oh my god! I don't suppose it might have I don't suppose Q692 is probably behind this guy. I don't suppose he might be behind this guy, I don't know. Ethanol train, the first train of this visit to Paintsville YouTube with Canadian Pacific. Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. This is on the outside.
What it looks like.
And as usual with short trips like this, YouTube, sometimes the first shots are at night. These are empties. These are empties back to like a more or less decently long train these days, YouTube. Decently long. Where's the end of this guy? Huh. One of those cars they put limestone from the Florida Bone Valley in. I think it's limestone. Anyways, there goes him YouTube.